Man testosterone is decreasing day by day. What if I told you that your grandfather had higher testosterone than you, even in his 50s? Science confirms it. Men today have 20 to 30% lower testosterone than men just a few decades ago. And it's getting worse. Low testosterone isn't just about muscles or libido. It's about energy, drive, confidence, and even mental health. The scary part? Most men don't even realize their testosterone is plummeting. But why is this happening? And more importantly, can we fix it? Let's find out. 50 years ago, men were stronger, more active, and had naturally high testosterone. But today, we have a lifestyle that's killing our hormones. Let's break it down. 1. Lifestyle changes. More screen time, less physical activity. In the past, men worked physical jobs. Today, we spend hours sitting, at desks, on couches, glued to screens. Less movement means our bodies stop producing the hormones that made us strong in the first place. 2. Processed foods and nutrient deficiencies. The modern diet is full of processed junk, high in sugar, seed oils, and artificial ingredients. But testosterone needs healthy fats, protein, and key nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. Without them, your testosterone tanks, and you start feeling tired, weak, and unmotivated. 3. Environmental toxins, the hidden testosterone killers. Every day, we're exposed to chemicals that disrupt our hormones. BPA in plastics, pesticides in food, and chemicals in shampoos all mimic estrogen in the body, lowering testosterone without us even realizing it. 4. Chronic stress and poor sleep, the silent testosterone killers. Stress releases cortisol, the testosterone killer. When your stress levels are high, your testosterone drops. Combine that with poor sleep, and you're in trouble. Studies show that men who sleep less than 6 hours per night have testosterone levels of someone 10 years older. So, is this decline reversible? Can you boost your testosterone naturally? Yes. Here's how to take back control. 1. Strength training and sprinting. Lifting heavy weights is one of the most powerful ways to boost testosterone. Focus on compound movements, squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, bench presses. High-intensity interval training also spikes testosterone, especially short sprints and explosive movements. Train with heavy weights at least 3 to 4 times a week and incorporate sprints. 2. Eat the right foods. Your body needs the right fuel for testosterone production. Eat foods rich in healthy fats, protein, and key minerals. Healthy fats, eggs, avocados, fatty fish, zinc. Rich foods, oysters, red meat, nuts, magnesium and vitamin D, spinach, almonds, sunlight. Ditch the junk, eat whole foods, and get enough vitamin D from sunlight or supplements. 3. Reduce exposure to toxins. Avoid plastics, use glass or stainless steel containers, and switch to natural personal care products. Eat organic whenever possible to avoid pesticides. Minimize plastic use, choose organic foods, and go for natural skincare and hygiene products. 4. Manage stress and sleep like a king. Meditation, deep breathing, and reducing screen time before bed all help lower stress and boost testosterone. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep every night. Turn off screens an hour before bed, sleep in a pitch-dark room, and prioritize relaxation techniques. Testosterone isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling your best, having energy, confidence, and drive. The modern world is making men weaker, but you don't have to accept it. Lift weights and stay active. Eat real, nutrient-dense foods. Reduce exposure to toxins. Manage stress and sleep well. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit like, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe for more deep dive content on men's health and personal growth.